Alright guys, this right here is the Hoymiles HiBattery 1920 AC. I'm gonna unbox it, and whilst I'm unboxing it, I'm gonna tell you all about it. So let's start. If you ever looked into home batteries, you probably think it's complicated, expensive, and requires a full solar setup. But what if I told you there's a battery you can literally plug into your wall? No complex installation, no rewiring, and no hybrid inverter. Today I'm going to test out some things here. So how easy it is to install, how efficient it really is, and whether it actually saves you money. So first of all, what the hell is this? This is an AC coupled home battery system, and that's important because most home batteries and hybrid systems, those systems need to be connected to your solar panels, require an inverter, and usually a professional installer as well. And this is different. This system works independently, doesn't care where your solar panels are, and connects directly to your home grid. And that's the key difference here. Now let's talk about the main selling point: installation. With traditional systems, this can take hours or even days. But with this, you can just literally take it out of the box, plug it into a standard socket, connect it to the app, and you're basically done. You don't need a professional electrician, no changes to your fuse box, no complicated setup, and I think this is the most likely the easiest home battery I've seen so far. Now let's test something that actually matters: efficiency. Here's how I tested it. I connected a smart plug at the grid connection point. Then I charged the battery from 10% to 100%, and that gave me a total energy input, which I refer to E1. And after that, I discharged it from 100% back to 10%, and that gave me an output I will call E2. And then efficiency equals E2 divided by E1. Quite simple, right? Now, what you want here is a number as close to 100% as possible. Realistically, anything between 85 and 95% is very solid. Now let's talk about the app real quick. The interface is clean, it's easy, it's simple. You can see your battery level, track energy usage, and monitor everything in real time. But the most interesting feature is the AI-TOU, which stands for Time of Use Optimization. And here's what that actually means for normal folks just like you and me. The system looks at electricity prices, weather forecast, and your usage patterns. And then it decides when to charge and when to use that energy. So even in winter when there's barely any sun, it can still save you money. And that's actually very powerful. Let's talk about safety, because this really matters. This battery right here includes automotive grade cells, rated for over 6,000 cycles, a 48-layer battery protection system, an internal fire extinguisher, and a pressure relief valve. So overall, this is clearly built with safety in mind. Now the big question: is it worth it? Does it actually save you money? And that depends on a few things, of course. Your electricity price, whether you have dynamic tariffs, and how you use the system. But here's where it gets interesting. Because installation is basically zero, your upfront cost is lower. And with smart charging, you buy electricity when it's cheap and use it when it's expensive. And that's where the savings come from. A few extra things worth mentioning: you can expand the system by stacking multiple units. There is a backup power functionality, and for the advanced users, you can even integrate it via MQTT. So it works for beginners and tech enthusiasts. So here's my honest take. This is great if you want something simple, plug and play, no hassle, and you want to benefit from dynamic energy pricing. But if you're building a full high-end solar system and you want maximum efficiency, this might not be the best option. And overall, the Hoymiles HiBattery 1920 AC is one of the most accessible home batteries I've tested. It removes complexity and lowers the barrier for getting into energy storage. And honestly, that's what makes it interesting. Thanks again, Hoymiles, for sending this to me. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. If you got any questions, let me know as well. And I'll test more real-world energy tech like this for the upcoming future, because I do care about sustainability and stuff like that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and good luck. So first, let's do the small thing. This is the P1 meter. There's a nice little quick installation guide inside of it, and the actual product, and some extra stuff that you can use. All right, let's put this to the side. And unbox this. Guys, it is heavy. Use your manual. The cables. Then it's the actual battery itself. Whoa. It's heavy. It's really heavy. All right. Oh, cool.